If you're looking to track sales and revenue in Vendasta, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use Vendasta's tools to easily monitor and manage your sales, so stay tuned. First off, let's talk about how to get started with Vendasta's dashboard. When you log into your account, you'll be greeted by an overview that shows your sales performance at a glance. This includes key metrics like revenue, client activity, and sales goals. The dashboard allows you to instantly see how you're tracking against your targets. If you haven't already, you can start using this software completely free through the first link in the description, where we also offer exclusive bonuses. Next thing, tracking your revenue in Vendasta is all about understanding the sales section. Within this area, you'll find detailed breakdowns of all your revenue streams, whether it's recurring revenue from subscriptions or one-time payments from clients. This section helps you monitor each sale and its status, giving you a comprehensive view of your total revenue over any given period. The third thing you need to know is how to utilize Vendasta's reports feature. Vendasta allows you to customize your reports based on date range, product, or client. You can pull data on individual sales or aggregate them for a broader view. This makes it super easy to track your sales performance across multiple months, quarters, or years, helping you make data-driven decisions for your business. Now, let's dive into the revenue by client feature. This is especially helpful for those who want to see a breakdown of revenue per client. It gives you insight into who your top paying clients are and helps you prioritize accounts that need extra attention. You can filter the data by client status so you know exactly where your money is coming from. The sixth thing to keep in mind is the ability to track your sales funnel in Vendasta. This tool gives you a visual representation of your leads, prospects, and closed deals. You can track each stage of the sales process, ensuring no lead slips through the cracks and you can close deals faster. The last thing I want to mention is how Vendasta integrates with other platforms. Whether you're using Google Analytics, email marketing tools, or CRM software, Vendasta syncs with them to pull in relevant sales and revenue data. This way, you can track everything in one place and avoid any manual data entry. Now, before I finish, I want to remind you that you can access Vendasta's full set of tools for free with our exclusive extended trial. Click the first link in the description to get started today. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to track your sales and revenue in Vendasta. Don't forget to take advantage of the free trial and exclusive bonuses. Click the link below. Happy tracking!